welcome back to my channel. Today I have a vlog for you. Today's vlog is all about organization of my business. I know a few people have asked to see more about the business, and I thought I'd start off with a little vlog of me organizing a space where I have all of the stock and packing station and everything. We have in our back room, we used to have like a couch and coffee table, entertainment unit thing, and we've taken all of that out and we've set it up like a little office packing station. So yeah, I'll show you, and we actually went to Kmart and bought some stuff today, so I'll show you what I picked up. Okay, so here is the space that we have. I know it looks a little bit messy so far, but we bought these trestle tables just from Bunnings. So I think this one is an 8-foot one and that one's like a 6-foot one. And then we have stock underneath, and then we have the eyelashes above it. I've got some boxes down there. Like, I haven't finished organizing, but yeah, like this is what we've got so far. And then over here I have these tables from Officeworks. So they came with like these adjustable legs. So I made them like a little bit higher. So I have like a packing station here, and then I have the computer set up here as well. And then just some more storage there. So today we went and bought, we'll put it together, but we went and bought this little storage unit from Fantastic Furniture. So it just looks like that, and I'm actually going to pop it over here in this corner just for like some bits and pieces that need to be on a shelf. So we're gonna just put this together. Coco, you gonna help? She's gonna investigate. She's gonna be the supervisor actually, aren't you? Huh? Let's see. I've put the little shelving piece together. This was $59 from Fantastic Furniture. They had some pretty good ranges and it's like pretty affordable. I bought these little document trays from Kmart. They were $4 each, I believe, and I'm just going to stack them like this. I will make room for them a bit better. I don't know how many I need. So, but they're nice and easy to grab, although that's not gonna work. And then some labels and bigger ones. And then I've got some blank ones, and then these international order forms as well. So there's my little setup for my postage arrangements. I just purchased a bin from Kmart because I will have some things that need to go there. So I'm just gonna pop that probably down there. And then I purchased these from like the fridge section in Kmart, and I'm going to separate the single brushes up because right now they look like this. I'm just going to divide them up. They only had 3 of these containers available like on the shelf, so that's all I got for now. There's all my brushes organized for now. I do need to get little labels for them, which ones are where, but Dean's got a label maker. I'm not sure exactly where it is, but I want to have them all nice and neat. I was going to do it like on a little sticky note, but I thought, no, I'll do it properly. Made some little labels. We just did the ones in the middle, but that looks really nice and profesh. Thank you to Dean and his label maker. So we'll do the rest another day. I bought this gorgeous little desk tray set from Kmart. It was $5 and it comes with this little one and then this round one. I basically have some return labels that I want to just stick in them and then just have them in something so they're easy and ready to get, so I picked that up. Then lastly we have this area over here. I really wanted some kind of shelving to put everything. Now this is like where I get samples and where I want to have things on display that I can see, so I don't want to just shove them away in cupboards because I constantly want to be thinking about what I can come out with next. So I actually picked up this shoe rack. I'm gonna set it up and hopefully it works. I think that that was such a great idea. You could even like stack it up a little bit taller if you wanted some more shelving, but I like that it's neat and tidy, and then it has a little bit of like room here if I wanted to, you know, get things out and have a look and everything. And if I receive new things, that I can put them here. And yeah, I think that that looks really good. But there is an overview of my office, packing station, everything. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I know it's not like the best setup, but it's actually pretty good, and it's really easy to pack things now. Everything's nice and easy to get to, and it's at home as well, which is super convenient. So that's it for today's vlog. Please leave me any questions if you have any below. Let me know what types of videos that you would like to see in relation to starting your own business or anything like that. I want to make a little series on this channel, like a girl boss series or something like that, and share what I've learned along the way with starting my first business. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.